But I am changing tires faster. I kind of wanted to record this to see how long it takes me as well. I kind of want to put a little red on this. Just a small hint of red. Not sure how. Maybe this PMT, make it red. Nah, I'm just gonna leave it. I don't really care about aesthetic. I like that murdered out black look. And I'm also wearing like all black too. Except my pants. My pants are not black. They're gray. That's just my style. Everyone has their own style of riding and style of design. But man, I've been watching those scooter videos all day, and I'm creating a compilation of the reviews for the RS, the InMotion RS, and the GTR that came out. All these fucking things are out. Let's see, let me take this out. Don't want to lose that. My hands hurt too. My thumb still hurts. It's still bruised. I don't know if you can see it. Black right there, black right there. I think I may have possibly fractured my thumb, but because I can't really put pressure on it anymore. Kind of sucks. Wow. Now let's see if we can find this problem. I always see people forget the orientation with this. Put this on. There's a divot here. Gotta remember, put it back. Look at my dirty ass hands. Holy shit. Let's look at the tire. Why is it like this? I don't see anything with the tire. It just feels a little thinner. What's the inner lining? I think there's still in the inner lining, so that's good. Oh, you hear that? Right here. That is where the hole is. And I'm not really too concerned about it. I got another one. Oh, I'm just covering the... Going into my room. I bought two of them in preparation in case a situation like this happens. So I don't be fucked. Let's go. $10 by $2.5. Let's hope it's in the right orientation. That looks much bigger. This is 10 by 2. This is 10 by 2.5. Let's hope it works well. Oh, that came off a little too easy. Watch out, Louis. This shit might blow up in your face. Oh, that inflated really fast. I feel like it's in the wrong orientation. Should be this way. Oh, it was like that. Okay. So, I know for sure it's this way. Alright, let's go. I'm not gonna overthink it. I kite surf as well, and the lines, it's so easy to get them crossed. and confuse the fuck out of you. Oh, look at this angle. It's not at a direct 90 degrees, it's like a 45 degrees. Hopefully it works. God damn, this shit smells nasty. Like that rubber smell. Yeah, my thumb hurts too. I kind of want to see what a 4-inch feels like. No homo. But, damn, I can't believe I got a pinch flat on that. That's so odd. I feel like that tire was gonna go out. That inner tube was gonna die anyway. I don't like that twist right there. Not a big deal though. Orientation. Right there. I did use my light to make sure it's lined up. It's hard to see. That looks lined up. It's pretty lined up. That is pretty lined up. They all look pretty lined up, but it's hard to tell.